Hi there, it's Dave here. I want to try something I haven't tried before, and you guys are going to witness it just like I am for the first time. I want to race these two pace cars together and see what happens. In lane one will be the Monte Carlo number 22, blue and yellow. Lane two will be the green and white Monte Carlo number 55. They've both been calibrated to go around the track in 9.4 seconds. So hopefully they're pretty even and they can get through the four crossings on the track. And I was going to do a 21 lap race and four crossings. That's 84 chances of a collision. We'll see what happens.
Drivers, start your engines.
That was close.
Fastest lap for Monte Carlo 22.
Looks like number 22's got a pretty good lead. He's not going to give it up. This might not be as good as they planned it to be.
Fastest lap for Monte Carlo 22. Fastest lap for Monte Carlo 22.
Well, I guess we're not going to get any crashes. Their cars are too far apart. Let's see how many laps are left here before we all fall asleep. 2.
Last lap. Race won by Monte Carlo 22.
Well, that was boring. Thanks for watching. Bye.